Yo, what's up, guys? It's Matt.
It's Emily. So today we are back with an interesting video for you guys.
Yeah.
We are trying Sheetz gas station. If you guys don't know what Sheetz are, it's very known in Pennsylvania and other areas on the East Coast. But this is a gas station, and I've never had Sheetz. Since living in Pennsylvania, I've never had Sheetz, and he's never had Sheetz.
I never even heard of it.
So we ordered a lot of stuff I saw that was popular, that was some that he created on his own, things like that. So
it's weird, but
we're gonna try everything and tell you guys what we got, ratings like we always do with our mukbangs. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and let us know down below if you guys ever had Sheetz and what is your go-to order from Sheetz.
Mm-hmm.
So let's get this started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my order first because we both got like three. Well, he got an extra thing, but I got curly fries. It was like a cup of curly fries. So I'm excited to try those. And then I got a plain pretzel. I love a good pretzel. And I got a side of nacho cheese. And then I got a pepperoni roll.
You got marinara sauce too.
And marinara sauce for the pepperoni roll. But I'm excited to try this because I don't know. It's gas station.
Yeah.
And it's very known in Pennsylvania. So on to your food.
I got regular fries, mozzarella sticks, chocolate Oreo, Emily.
Sorry.
A chocolate Oreo shake, and
this is interesting. He created this.
A waffle burger.
A waffle burger.
I mean, waffle's a little hard, but hopefully he's not too hard.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to go in with this pepperoni.
Yeah, I am too.
But I'm going to try the sauce with it.
I'm going to try.
Oh, the sauce smells not bad.
I'm going to dig in, okay?
Yeah. Let's do a little dunk. Hopefully I could get a cheese pull when I bite into this. I ate most of the bread.
That's really good. That is fucking good, man.
Language.
Sorry. That's really good.
I'm trying to get to the pepperoni. I'm almost there.
That's really good.
This is the inside of it. So let's see now if I could get a good cheese pull. Now I see why this was number 2 most liked.
The mozzarella sticks are good.
Can I take that?
You took up my cheese.
Sorry.
It's fine. What do you think?
They taste like the school ones.
You think so?
I think so.
No, school ones taste different than that.
Okay, so this is very delicious. I see why this is number 2 on most liked on their menu. Very delicious. Wish I had a cheese pull, but it's alright. It is so good. I don't know what cheese is in here, but it is delicious.
You know what tastes on the waffle? Sure.
They put syrup.
Yeah, you said they don't.
I don't know.
I literally taste syrup on the waffle.
You created your own burger.
Oh, fuck.
It's alright, babe.
Alright. No, but there was no option for it. It's literally already on it.
Alright. I'm going to dig into this pretzel. I have some nacho cheese here. I have such a weird variety, but I wanted to get some stuff that if you guys want to try Sheetz. Ooh. I love a good cheese moment. Hold on.
You want cheese? Like it?
It tastes like jalapenos in it. They had so many different pretzels. They had a cheddar pretzel, a jalapeno pretzel, a pizza pretzel. But I already got the pepperoni roll, so I was like, I can't do pizza. So I did a plain because I wanted to try how it tastes just by itself. And holy cow. Let's try these curly fries.
See, I know this is number one. Most likely, because you can create whatever burger you want, which I freaking like.
Oh my god. I'm impressed. Their curly fries are so freaking good. Mama? So freaking good. But I'm gonna go back into
These
eating
curly
this.
fries are good.
Curly fries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the fries more or the curly fries?
I like both of them.
Holy cow. So freaking good. I must say, I understand the hype now. It's also awesome because I think they're open 24 hours where you could order at any time, which is cool. But their food, if you have like late night munchies or you're hungry or you're getting out of work late, whatever the case is, try your local Sheetz, guys. Even the sauce is pretty good.
It's crazy because we order Sheetz and and around this area they're making Sheetz near us.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, they're making one actually like 2 blocks from us.
mm-hmm.
They're building it right now, so now I'm excited for when they open. Because they had a lot of options. So we kind of like wanted variety where we could show you guys like what's good, what's not good. But get your hands on these curly fries because they are bomb. Want to try this?
Mm-hmm.
Try it. I'm gonna have another bite of this pretzel though.
What's in cheese?
Just cheese and pepperoni.
It's like a pizza.
It's like a pepperoni roll.
It literally tastes like a pizza, but wrapped up.
Oh, I love a good pretzel.
That's pretty good.
Huh?
That's really good.
Right. You eat that mad fast. It must be that good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
If it was open around the corner from us already, we probably would have walked there and did it. But because it's not open yet, we had to order. And honestly, everything is still so hot, fresh.
Yeah.
So I'm happy about that.
These mozzarella sticks are good.
Mozzarella sticks?
No.
They're not bad.
I was curious because we say you can make whatever burger you want. I'm like, I might as well do waffle. Let's try a waffle burger. So I might as well do that.
He's on
And it turned out really fucking good in my language.
Guys, you have to see this shake though.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look at that Oreo. I have so much left.
That was good.
Holy cow.
All right.
These things are huge. Holy cow.
See how this turns out. Oh yeah, baby. Got my spoon ready. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Oh, come on. Not the noises.
Oh yeah. That is amazing.
I got so much here left to eat.
You're almost done. Oh yeah, the curly fries.
I still have the curly fries. This, I could save this though. So far, let's start giving rating because you take forever. Because you're done, so you can start your rating. Burger first.
10.
Automatic. Okay. French fries.
French fries is a 9. Mozzarella sticks, 9.5. This, 10.
What about the things you tried on mine? The curly fries and the pepperoni.
Pepperoni at 9.8. Curly fries, that's a 10.
Curly fries are good. Okay. For my rating, for the pepperoni roll, I'm going to give it a 9.8. For the pretzel, I'm going to give it a 9. It's good. Basic pretzel, 9. Curly fries, 10. 10. 10, 10. Right there. Honestly. And it's very filling. I got a lot of stuff that has variety. I have a pepperoni roll pizza. Pizza. How did you finish that already? Holy cow, I'm like talking and I noticed he's like finished with it already. So.
Ooh, that was good. Oh man. Ooh.
He always finishes before me.
Ooh.
Alright, Matt.
That was freaking good.
I love good food. I'm gonna try a curly fry with the cheese.
This beats Boston Market out the door. Slaps the hell out of it. Literally.
Baby, it's different food. You can't
It
compare.
don't matter. For only a gas station food,
I know.
this was
Impressive.
bomb.
It was impressive. You want some curly fries?
I'm full. You struggling? Oh man, I should.
Oh, sure.
I was too into the drink. I should dunk the fries in there.
No.
Next time though. Whew.
Okay. So overall, with everything, honestly, not bad.
Not bad. This was great. I know the ones that people that watching us, well, yeah, watching us are like, nah, stop it. It's just gas station food. This being gas station food, this is really good. I never had gas station food in my life.
7-Eleven.
Some of them don't count. I don't even gas station food.
It's considered though.
But there's no gas station there.
Their curly fries. First of all, the number one thing that was on the menu was the pepperoni roll. Completely understand why. Then the second thing was the curly fries. Those were like the top favorites. And then there was like other stuff. And I looked at the curly fries and I was like, oh, those look good.
Are they number one liked?
No, they were like top favorites.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that was good. Oh, you're not gonna see me in the room for a while.
What?
I say you're not gonna see me in the room for a while because once my whole digestive system, I'm gonna be in the bathroom for a minute.
All right.
I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna finish off camera because I don't want to make this video too long, but definitely try Sheetz if you guys have a Sheetz by you. It is bomb.
Really
I'm not even being dramatic. It is bomb.
That was good.
I'm kind of getting full anyway, so I don't even think I'm gonna finish this. I'll probably save this for later, but that was delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, a comment, and let us know down below what you guys think. And we will see you guys in our next video.